from living in Florida for my entire life is that if the storm has you worried, time to shut down. And I know there's some people that'll be out there like, oh, you can drive right through it. Nah. Because all it takes is just one little thing to go wrong. You end up on the side of the road with the entire truck taking a nap. Just like what happened the other day with the situation on I-80 in Nebraska. Storm chasers were going through and they found a truck on its side. And I know tornadoes are kind of erratic, but you know, I guess the point that I'm getting at and everything is that if you don't feel safe, find a place to shut down. Ride it out. Get some sleep. Get some food. Something. Because your delivery is going to get there no matter what. At some point. If someone's going to throw a fit, let them. Please turn your lights on. Do something. Alright. I'm going to assume that this is a 2-lane road. That's right. I forgot. We're in Texas, so this happens. Got the road set up very, very weirdly. Alright. Co-worker over there on the highway, I'm sorry. I hope you get through that soon. Okay, so they redirected us because of a myriad of reasons. There was a car that broke down, and one of the 2 lanes that was available, and because of the heavy rains that the area got last night, part of I-10 is flooded out. So they're redirecting traffic around all of that. California roll. California. Stop means stop. Anyway, so this is actually getting us around the part that's flooded out, but I got a weird feeling that when we get back onto the highway here in a second, there's going to be an accident that's up here. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. All right. Here we go. Uh-oh. Crap on the road. This looks like, listen, I don't know how many times I can go over this. A truck and a car cannot occupy the same space at the same time. Or don't. That's fine. No, that's not. But Really? Did you not just see what we went through?